My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups that come from the site phenotypecore.com. Phenotypecore.com is a new deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on this allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots. But in reality, it is a mistake to click on allow. If you have done that by mistake, your browser may be hijacked and contaminated with multiple pop-up ads that would be attacking the screen. To deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications, and pay attention to the websites that are permitted to display notifications. So when you find this phenotypecore.com, make sure you remove it from the list and also remove other junk sites from the list. This is the manual solution to fix your browser. I also recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.